Aj, 'twas Badniak, in Todolakuca jeden zvuk, nie niko, osin mali mish, munching mama's kolache jako slatko. We were all gone. Zapanochny pozitsnym mas, the whole world seemed punodovro, jako bas. On the way through the notes from the service at church, Nastata stopped the truck with a teeth-shaking lurch. Then saw I the burglar up high on the house, and so clearly he was an undocumented louse. You could tell from his clothes he was from way out of town, all dressed up in furs and wearing big boots. Stow ye, clown! Some deer were all over the yard, stomping and eating all our Swiss chard. Tata didn't need no more reason than all them deer were in season. It was 80 degrees when Tata took aim. No Bozich after that was ever the same. In a flash there was a thundering sound, and soon 8 deer lay tagged on the ground. Mama made kava y kolache for the cops when they came, while Tata and I prepared all the game. Cielo noche jutro svima we cooked without cease. We invited todo el pueblo to our Bozicha feast. The red burglar still sits down there in jail. No one has ever posted his bail. On Christmas Eve, Nikat ne impersonate Saint Nick. Sviznamo da doji na prosinca 6. Sretan dan svete Nikola svima. Sretan Bozic svima. Is nasieg malog sela u dubokoj južnoj Teksasu.